If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on Wise Investors PH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Wise Investors PH live trading. It's a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday night evening with you guys. It's a very good week so far after the reversal of the US market. We're really like talagang malakas ngayon ang merkado when it comes to the buying opportunity, and that's why if you're prepared for that, months ahead, months back, quarter back, the day month, the day, the previous month, no, you could have already enjoyed the ride today aggressively. You could have enjoyed the moments that, okay, kailan ko ba ito ititipi? Ganun na lang yung mga question mo eh. Diba? So, if you're prepared for that. So, maganda yan as we build together, as you watch MWF, you can learn something from what we are doing. So, and also not just in the Forex market, but also in the US market. So, magandang gabi again, everyone. My name is John. I'm your host and your resident DJ for tonight. Resident DJ. Resident DJ. Saan galing yung resident DJ na yun? Ba't para naging DJ tayo dito? Ano ba?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Okay, kamali na. Sorry na. Okay, so again, tingin natin diretso. It's 9:06 in the evening. Let's go straight for it. Okay, what I can notice right now, the market is definitely on a take profit today. It's Wednesday night. Possible tomorrow the market could have been like a take profit between Thursday and Friday tomorrow. So possible nito medyo mag-red tayo tomorrow or tapos follow up by a green by Friday, but or dalawang follow up na red candle. Because why? I can see the market is wanted to pause after a breakout from this area here. Okay? And then medyo kailangan mag-pause the market ng konti. If we're gonna of course put a tawag dito. Yan. So put a Fibonacci extension there. So sa market need to pause. No, yun yung isa din na maganda dyan. So market needs to pause. And for tonight, kung meron kang sobra, it could have been better na mag-tipi-tipi na lang, especially on the opening moment. So mas maganda din, tipi-tipi din tayo ng konti, bawas-bawas, and wait for the market again to go back around this area before we can aggressively buy. Possible next week. So if you're a swing trader, this is your opportunity on by the opening on the first hour or the second hour, take profit na din po tayong lahat. Mas maganda, no? Because sa nakikita ko talagang possible nito tomorrow and Friday, baka within this week, mag-pause mo na yung market. Sayang yung gains, a few percentage. If you're having a big account, that's percentage of that is very big already. Okay, so nakikita ko dyan, percentage na mag-rally siya more, 20%, 30% chance na umangat pa to. No? Pero mas 50% or above, mag-pause yung market. Okay? And kung titignan mo dyan, that's already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 candle that is going to have a green, no? I can see here that this is a inverse head and shoulders and this is our neckline here. So kailangan talaga mag-pause ni market, no? Kung hindi man yan possible, kung ito yung neckline yan, baka mag-pause. Ito kasi technical oversold level, tingnan natin yan eh. So isa yan. If marami kang position sa open yan, tapos malalaki na yung profit, nako, bawas-bawasan mo na yan. Okay? Wala namang masama mag-take profit eh, no? Kasi you're wanted to bag in the wins. No? Na hindi siya sayang. Kasi kung dito here's my analysis eh. Here's my analysis, no? If the market will pause, yan. Possible around this area. Okay. If the market will pause today, most likely, ito yung head and shoulder pattern yan eh. No? Kita mo yung head and shoulder pattern, no? So, pa-breakout eh, no? So, pa-breakout, ito. Sama natin tong neckline na to. Yan, neckline. Itong neckline na para percentage. Ang problema ito, kasama to eh. Kasama yung neckline na yan eh. Yan, oh. Yan. Okay. Yan. And also, if you can see, no, medyo the volume is medyo reducing. So, kailangan talaga mag-pause ni market. Isa lang yan yung point na nakikita ko tonight. Congratulations for those who bought from this area. Congratulations for those who read my report last September and even my October. Sobrang na-enjoy mo yung profits na yun right now. That's the tech stocks. XTech 500, let's check that out. It's also the same. Honestly, also the same. Possible opening mag-rally na to. This is again our new buy zone here. Medyo ito yung kailangan mag-hold the market na para masabi nating malakas yung market na area ito. Buy zone or demand zone. Yan. Demand zone. Yan. Okay. Style must be green again. Green. Yan. Okay, ito yung area na to na malakas. Isa rin isang opposite head and inverse head and shoulder na pinapakita ni market. Take profit po tayo lahat. Let me check. I'm up by 62%. So far, naglarally pati Bitcoin. I'm almost back by 11,000. No, the highest of this account was 12,400. So I'm back with that. The lowest one during the correction, I went back as 8,600. So far, I will secure some profits para just in case may pambili pa rin ako sa mga ilalim na mga gandang area. But I would not close them all. Yun yung importante doon. No? Yung isa din na pwede natin matutunan dyan. Kasi kung titingnan mo din dyan, in terms of the difference between the market right now, up to the all-time high is only just 1%. Possible an opening tomorrow or today, mag-rally hanggang dyan before mag-take profit yung mga tao. And retest this new support zone. So, for safety purposes, you can still take profit or let the market ride you where it goes. Yun yung maganda dun eh. So, kung breed in, breed out si market, sama ka lang dyan, no? Kasi very bullish naman. But if you want to take most of the opportunity, TP, some of it, buy some na parali pa lang or balikan mo sila. Wag mo lang ubusin. Lalo na yung mga magagandang stock. Okay? So, it's 9:11 evening. Both markets already exhausted so far. No? Look at the volume. Medyo maliit ang volume. Compare dito, tingnan natin yung mga breakouts before. Ito, katulad nito. Papita ko sa inyo yung mga nangyari ng market. No? Ito, katulad nito. Yan. So, continue dito, nag-rally si market, no? But the volume is not consistent pataas. Flat yung volume, pero umangat. Ayan. So, nag-correct si market. No? Isa rin yan. Another one is here. We can see a volume from this area here. Does created late na ng volume paangat. And tingnan mo din dito. After it reach some point, talagang may correction ng isang malaking bar. So, magko-correct ng konti, then paangat ulit, hindi na sustain in everything. So, yun din. But good thing about it is nagkaroon ng mga big volumes when it reached the support here. So, isa yan ng mga tingnan natin. But then again, I'm still optimistic in the next 3 months. Let's go to the crypto world before we go to the stock natin that we are trying to see. For the crypto market also, for me, after this breakout is not strong enough to beat this all-time high. I think also Bitcoin needs to retest the supply zone here. So that's now a buy support, the support area. Okay, which is a new demand zone support. Yan. So, okay. So, I think dito, sa masyadong mabilis yung inangat niya, kailangan ito mag-pause kahit papano between EMA 10 or EMA 20. Pwede tayo magdagdag dyan. Pero so far, may volume naman, hindi kailangan lang niya i-sustain. Medyo in the past 3 days, hindi masyado. Magko-correct to ng 2 araw or so, no? Tingnan natin by Sunday. So, tingnan natin kung mag-consolidate ng mga 3 to 5 days from now near the resistance. I would respect that resistance as well. But I'm very optimistic that Bitcoin can reach a 70,000 or more in the next few months from now. So, but then the market needs to be in a healthy direction. No? So in, out, wave in, wave out, breathe in, breathe out. So, isa din yan. Okay, so after the Bitcoin, I'm still very bullish because of its structural degree, its structure also in terms of the moving average and its momentum. So medyo nakikitaan talaga natin ng momentum for the crypto market. Maganda din talaga mag-open ng position din doon, no? If you could also sumabay sa akin, no, mga binili natin, I mentioned with you guys that mabilis din when it comes to crypto was Binance. So above else, si Binance nga talaga nagpapakita ng very very fast speed, no? Na very fast ang speed. Especially that volume, oh, ayan, yung laki ng volume na to, guys. Okay? Then the next buying volume medyo mahina-hina na, but wala pa masyadong sellers. And we are nearing our supply zone here or the resistance, which is a very huge supply zone na very kailangan nitong tawirin ni Binance, malapit na sa supply zone. So for now, very bullish pa din ako because I can see a cup and handle, pattern here. There's your cup, there's your handle. If magkaroon to ng breakout there after a few consolidation and a few days, madali na to abatin tong area na to, which is how many percentage from the breakout area. From the breakout area, another 88% for BNB. Structural wise, mabilis si BNB. Sa pinakamabilis, no? Sa structure. Kaya diyan ako nagbomba. Faster than BNB is Ethereum. Okay? Mas mabilis si Ethereum. I still recommend the fastest one is still Ethereum followed by BNB because of structural and everything. But right now, wala mo na. No? Wala mo nang bibili tayo. Wait for a correction or a take profit of some. Then reposition tayo ulit. No? Then, check natin yung iba na medyo naiwan. Okay? So this one, I suggest, ito, pwede itong bumili ngayon. I can see some supports holding on to that level here. Ayan, nasa support level na siya. MA 100 is closing. I can sense some also a support on your RSI. Definitely. But if you wanted to make sure, bili ka na lang above the breakout. But this is a very good position already of ADA right now. Very safe play na to. Compare if the confirmation supposedly if you're gonna buy on a breakout, but if you want to anticipate the breakout, you can buy right now. The good thing about it is we have a signal already and a divergence. Very weak divergence is what we're seeing right now here. There is a divergence happening here, and then a price action is trying to go up. So pwede to mag-position dito if you have money. You can also allocate to Ida Cardano. Very good consolidation is happening. But if you want to make sure, wait for the breakout na lang. Also with XRP, I can see some potential in XRP right now. There's also a confirmation buy signal today for XRP for to test buy. So isa rin yan. But the confirmation must be on a breakout level at this point. Test buy for anticipation to the breakout is also encouraged. So pwede din natin yan pangunahan, no? So kita nyo dyan, nag-build yung support. ilang beses inangat, and then trying to do a moving average support there. And also, wala tayo nakitang divergence, very healthy. So definitely it's a good position to buy right now. So ganda rin to. Malayo pa sa supply zone, very weak supply zone pa. Very good potential si XRP as of the moment. But again, my recommendation for this week, okay, magpo-pause yung dalawang mabilis, BNB and Ethereum. The buying potential right now is because of they wanted to catch up for that, no? Is XRP and ADA. So, kung prioritization, benta konti kay BNB, Ethereum, pasok kay ADA or XRP for this week up to next week. No, pero in terms of structure, mabilis pa rin yung dalawa. Yung una kong binanggit, no? Isa din 'yan. No, let's go check our Bitcoin. Okay? Check natin 'yan. XTZ, tingnan din sa XTZ. XTZ and Dogecoin. Okay, XTG, coiling, yes, I can see some coiling there on XTZ. Kailangan ng confirmation for this to break out. I would suggest to buy this area on this breakout on this area here, or a breakout on the EMA1, EMA20 there. So, in terms of why you need to buy on the breakout, because possible this trend line can act as a resistance. So compared to the others, but good thing it's very healthy. The good about XEZ, very healthy, very past textbook trend ang pinapakita ng XTZ. Why it needs to the reason why it needs to do that, because there is a very strong supply area here, sa supply zone here, or strong resistance. Kung titingnan natin by volume, ito yung malakas, no? Ito malakas na area na to, no? But pending kasi yan pending na kailangan respetuhin ng XTZ. So confirmation buy is what needs to be done in this area. So let's go to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Okay, for Shiba Inu, it's still my analysis is still intact. Trying to form a flag pattern there, still good for Shiba Inu to do that. Why? Because after a 365% on after the breakout, it's need to rest or reaccumulate at this area here. As long as this is area is holding, I'm still bullish on Shiba Inu. That's why I bought it. Bumili ako dito. I think here or here. Bumili ako dito. I consider this kasi nung somewhere here. I bought it here, I think, within this candle. So I'm still holding that one, that buy there later. For Dogecoin, okay, kung nakita din natin si Dogecoin, there is a fake breakout happened here because he actually kumbaga consider this as a supply zone, no? Supposedly, but it did not close there. Supposedly dapat mag-close siya dito. So it went back here on this area, but still it's still bullish on the perspective of the support of the moving average. So isa din 'yan. Mine was, I think, the super red yan red ako diyan Yeah, bumili na ako niyang kasabay nyo. Ito, yan. So I'm down by 6-7% there, 7% so far on that buy. But I'm holding to that. So where's gonna be my cut loss here? Around this area. So if it's gonna fall below 8%, maybe I will consider cut loss that position. One reason also that I'm very confident that this is bullish because of this breakout na may volume. So, and also the sellers followed is not significant as well. So, hindi masyadong, I'm unfazed, no? May kasama kami ng word ginagamit. I'm unfazed of that seller here. Okay? But again, good thing it did respect the resistance. So, we did play the breakout buy there, with still good risk management that we actually allocated. So, isa yun yan. If you're holding to that one, kung sumabay ka, better to hold it. And then if bumagsak siya additional 8% to 9%, maybe considered reducing your position or cut loss the whole thing. Okay? Let's go to Algo USD. Okay, for Algo USD, tanggalin natin itong mga drawings na dito. Algo USD is also considered a test buy ngayon. It's the third time it's sat on the moving average 50 with a confirmation, a bit confirmation of a dito, no? Ayan. So may nakikita tayong bullish divergence ng konti dyan on the RSI and a support level that actually on our stochastics there. So but the confirmation here is if it's gonna break out this trend line here. So isa din yan. So if you want to test buy, pwede. Go low risk. If you want to assure yourself, better to buy on a confirmation, which is this area here. This area here. Or here. Yung nga lang, mas mabibili siya mas mataas, no? Isa yan sa mga consideration for algo. Okay? But, Sol, let's go to Sol. Sol USD. Solana USD. Okay, for Solana, I also consider this a confirmation buy there because we actually saw a buy potential yesterday. Okay, pero kung titingnan natin ngayon, ang ganda rin na itsura niya. If you're gonna plot it out, if people are plotting at this way, okay, papuntang resistance, pero ipa-plot nila kasama yung other resistance, is actually showing a breakout, no? Breakout. So, if you're gonna plot it that way, this is also a potential buy because you actually reach your 0.5 level on the Darvas back. So, isa din yan na magandang pwedeng bilhin. Plus, you have a very bullish momentum on Sol. So, definitely, Sol is still bullish for me, still a buy today. Pwede pa itong humabol for Sol. Malayo pa sa even the RSI 70 there. Okay, let's go to Tron and BAT. No, muna natin si BAT. We have 6 minutes to go for our crypto. And we go to the stock market. For BAT, I would not suggest to buy this right now. But if you're gonna buy this, consider this a sideways. Pero pa downtrend siya. Medyo pangit yung itsura niya. Pwede mo siya test buy ngayon pero pa sideways. Ang play nito, konting dito lang, benta na. Because medyo malakas ang harang. Kumbaga harang for this umangat compared to the others. Okay, mahina-hina na lang. So, supply zone yan. Supply zone is here. Before the reversal, here. Supply. Medyo makapal yung harang. So, isa din yan. So, most likely, for me, mas pabor to bumalik dito for BAT. So, hindi ko yan bibilin. Marami nang nasa taas. Ethereum, wag mo nang bilhin si Ethereum. Papuntang resistance. Okay, Tron. Let's go to Tron. Tron is also Tron is honestly definitely a breakout kanina. Pero ang ginawa ni Tron is hindi niya tinuloy, no? Hindi niya tinuloy. So, test buy to confirm if mag-breakout na area na to. So, for now, chill muna kay Tron. Pero maganda rito kay Tron is reversal na siya, no? Ayan, no? Nag-reversal na, oh. Ayan kay Tron. So, test buy pwede pa rin test buy to, honestly. Okay, yun nga, kailangan na to full breakout itong area na to, no? Pero kung titingnan mo dyan, medyo reversal na yan, no? If you're gonna plot it that way. If I'm gonna plot it even this way, medyo reversal na yan. So, for me, test buy is what goods at the Tron. Pero ito yung confirmation yan, eh. Kung bahabol ka ngayon, pwede pa rin naman. So, you're still a good position on a risk-reward ratio. No? Okay, XLM USD, we're at the 618 level. By Byakugan is present. Pwede naman din i-test buy to guys because there's a confirmation between the price action that the previous support is now turning to previous resistance is acting as support on the level. It just need to close within how many hours left, which is 10 hours left. It needs to close at above this level. So need to close above this level. Because if it's gonna close above that level, we can actually potentially see a very fast 90 degrees level because on this area kasi na to, itong Fibonacci fan speed na yan, it's acting a resistance as of the moment. So ay kailangan mag-close siya above that para makita natin na kaya-kaya i-break out papunta dito. So kung titingnan niyo din, there is a strong resistance there. For now, kailangan mo na itong mag-close above that area. Test buy tomorrow is a confirmation of the test buy for XLM. Selling for Ethereum, I think ngayon pwede ka na magbenta. Malapit siya sa resistance. Okay, Anfi. Meron ba ano ba 'tong Anfi? Okay, that's stock later. Okay, 3 minutes before the market open. Magandang gabi again, everyone who are watching. Di gumagalaw. Oh, it's okay. Dogecoin is still bullish. That's still good. Okay, magandang gabi dyan. There, good evening, Giant Valeras, Noben Pasio, Baba Flying High. Yeah, definitely. Kung mga bumili ng Baba during my live, please number 8 on the chat box. Congratulations who bought on this area level here. You're already up by 27%. If you're ready at the time level, 100% ka na. No? Congratulations, CEI. Tingnan din natin. Good evening, ACB from Amart BT. So, BT. Si BT. Meron ba? Ano ba itong BT? Metaverse. Okay, Beta Pro. Tingnan natin later. Good evening, Jovel. Good. Algo USD. We're done at that, no? Okay. All right. So, okay. So, let's check. Let's check natin mga winning positions natin last week. So, tingnan natin ngayon. Bluebird, if you actually definitely yesterday bumili kayo, no, Tuesday, bumili kayo ng Bluebird, 8% up na kayo. FCell, Monday pa natin to yata o last week pa. ACB, it's good. SPWR, our momentum plays, medyo hilaw pa ng konti. Let's check at CrowdStrike. Okay, before tayo. Review lang natin mga binili natin last week, no? The thing about it is for CrowdStrike, it's still on a pause day. But definitely, it's still on momentum. Momentum pa rin si Crowd. So, okay na tayo dyan. It's CYBR. What's that dito? CYBR. CYBR, it's still on momentum. Naka-momentum pa din to siya. Hindi pa naman tinatamaan yung cut loss natin. I'm still optimistic. Still very momentum at this level because our cut loss is around this area. So, malakas pa din. It's still a pause day. Medyo pause day pa talaga siya. Okay, so before we go to our stock request, let's check at the sectoral rotation. At least meron tayong 1 minute to check that out for tonight. Ayan, okay. Check natin ang sectoral rotation. Alright, sectoral rotation. Let's check it out. Alright, there you go. Let's go to the... Di tayo. Okay. Okay. So, titingnan natin ngayon on the opening. Alright, napakalakas ng technology. Sobra, I think it's technology will go going on a breakout starting next week. P material sector, SXLP, right? Consumer staples, okay. Mga reopening ng market. Consumer staples is also good, doing good, reversal period din. Your industrial, no? Industrial is still also good. Okay, what's beating the market is healthcare, XLY, consumer discretionary, and technology stocks. If you're gonna drill it down until this year, there's still an energy play happening on this resistance here. If energy, wag na kayo muna bumili ng energy, wait for it to go, the index to go below before tayo mamili ulit ng energy stocks. So, kaya nagbawas na ako ng mga energy stocks natin. So, I'm up already by 11, nag-$100 yata ako today because of that. Check natin. Okay. Good call. GS, Blue, Baba, UNP, Disca, Nvidia. Okay, let's go. Check na. Ang dami naman yan. Isa-isa lang. Okay, Givo. Let's check at Givo. O natin sa Givo. So, I'm still optimistic on industrial sector and technology sector. Ang still lang very optimistic ako. Okay, for Givo, after the breakout there, trying to reconsolidate again, maybe we can treat it as sideways pa rin talaga. Medyo may fake breakout talaga dito, no? I think talagang ano niya, no? DNA niya talaga, no? DNA niya. So we cannot plot it on a way na pag ganito. So wag natin bilhin. Ang problema kasi kay Givo, parang hindi mo siya pwedeng bilhin ng breakout, no? Hindi siya tumutuloy. Nag-take profit maybe because of the pump and dump, no? But definitely, if we're gonna plot it this way, I'm gonna consider it like sideways, price action. Okay, price action. Hintayin natin dito. But after the bullish there, wala masyadong, may volume naman ipinakita. Hindi nga lang ganong kalakasan, may post day. So kung magkaroon to ng mga red candle in the next few days, okay, tayo natin sa support dito bago natin bilhin. So for this one, I'll adjust. I won't buy this on a breakout level. If may fundamentals nitong area na to, bibili natin siya on a support. So ngayon, chill lang muna tayo. Take profit kasi ngayon yung mga tao. No? Okay, Nvidia, Diska. Actually, I've been checking Nvidia as well. Medyo near the resistance sa Nvidia kasi I would buy Nvidia 214. 214 area ang ano ko diyan. Okay, RNVC. Okay guys, requesting guys to share this live. So, para meron mo tayong other mga audience na nagta-trade tonight, makita nila. Please lang, no? Please naman. Na RNVC Health Tech. May setup tayo sa ganyan. Tingnan natin. Ang Chidori. Tingnan natin yung RNVC. So, tingnan natin kung pwede itong tamaan ng ating setup for this. Okay, ang tagal naman mag-load ng aking trading view. No. Alright. There you go. 2%. Baka pwede natin ma-downs trade to. So, tingnan natin. Okay, so at this point, mas better guys. So, wag kayo na kumuha ng mga pailalim na stock. Better talaga pataas na stock na kunin nyo, no? Tingnan natin si, IRVC. Ba yun? RNVC, sorry. RNVC. Alright, check natin yan. RNVC, wala, hindi na to kasama sa bounce trade. Okay, hindi na siya kasama. Alright, sige. Let's go to this one. Price action tayo dito. Wala tayong makikita dito. 4-hour chart. Pwede siyang bilhin ngayon mismo. May breakout ako nakita. Okay, pwede siyang bilhin ngayon mismo. Your cut loss is this level here. Mga 8%. Your TP area from the buy point, 7%. So, 1:1 ka lang on that trade ngayon. Kung bibilin mo siya ngayon. So, as long as this line is holding, pwede itong bilhin ngayon. I-day trade to. So, 1:1. Cut loss ka below, pwede siyang bilhin. So, but since oversold siya on the daily, baka talaga itong mag-rally to pataas, no? This is your top TP1, then followed by your TP2 here, mga 19%. So, yan, very good risk-reward ratio. 1:2, 1:2, there, 1:2, 3, pwede almost, no, on this level. So, pwede to i-trade as of the moment right now. Okay, let's go to Apple. Apple so far is nearing the resistance. Wag muna natin kunin to. Medyo late tayo ng konti dyan. Let it pull back again on this level here. Maybe here. Yan, tingnan natin kung supportahan niya ng EMA 5, EMA 10. Saka natin bilhin for Apple. So wala muna. Medyo take profit talaga in the next 2 days. So tingin tayo ng mga may take profit. I'm gonna check it right now. I'm gonna check out Facebook. Kung magtitipi na ako Facebook muna. Maybe, yeah, this one. Maybe, tanggal muna ako Facebook, yung binili ko. Kasi meron naman akong account, meron naman akong isang pang long term. So, ito, trade lang naman to ng account. I'm gonna check FSL as well. I'm gonna hold on to this one. I'm gonna check at Bluebird. I'm gonna hold on this one. I'm gonna check ACB. ACB is still on the resistance. Wag nyo muna itong bilhin ngayon. Buy again if it's gonna reach this point. Late na yung buy. Supposedly dito yan ang bilhin nito. Ito, area na to. Yan, ito. So, wag nyo na itong kunin. Matagal ko na ito pinabibili. Dito pa lang. Ito yung second opportunity. So, ngayon, medyo near the resistance level na to. Wag muna. But if you're holding this one until January, maybe you can consider buying it, no, on that level. So chill lang muna to. Okay, let's TSE. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, nakita nyo, no? Kita nyo yung downtrend na yan. So talagang pa-downtrend siya, up, down, then EMA 20, support. Hintayin nyo to dito. Pupunta yan dyan. Okay? Pupunta yan dyan, definitely. Meron pa naiwan dito. Maybe this is your first buy. Itong area na to. May naiwang gap dyan, eh. Dito yung first buy mo. Second buy mo dito. Nagka-capitulation na siya. Parang yung ginawa natin kay Baba. Pwede niya itong abangan. SPSC. Wag muna ngayon. Okay. For Zoom breakout was intended a few days ago. Okay, 2 days ago, nagkaroon ng breakout. Bibili natin to, Rase entry. Okay, pullback, Rase. Confirmation Rase. Para sure ni Zoom that this is already our support area. So for now, test buy may be considered, but ako, since nagkaroon ng breakout there, wala, first position mo, time mo na pullback ng konti. Tapos tingnan natin kung i-retest sa tong area. Kasi baka ibalik lang din niya sa baba eh. So tingnan natin kung magkaroon ng higher low, lower high yan. Check ko lang yung mga positions ko, guys. CrowdStrike, I told you, this is still a momentum. CYBR, let's double check. Okay, buhay pa naman tayo kay CRBR on this second day ng kanyang post day. So we're still good at that. Okay pa naman tayo dyan. May pending ako dito. Ano to? Tilray. Okay, Tilray. Let's check at Tilray. Honestly, bumibila akong Tilray. Okay, for Tilray, ito play natin dito. Hintayin natin itong pumunta dyan, tapos magkaroon ng green candle, pwede natin pasukin. Pero for Tilray, let's check at the weekly chart here, and then let's check at the candle here. There's a massive buying there. Okay, on the weekly chart. Massive. Good thing is that nasa support na siya. Malakas na support siya ngayon. Okay, nagkaroon ng demand buy. Possible this is the demand zone area. Yesterday is a confirmation buy. Medyo I think mag-average down na ako. Ito yung topic natin eh. No? Baka mag-average down ako dito bukas. So nasa demand zone na tayo dyan. Medyo mabilis lang inangat kaya nagkaroon ng take profit moments here. Maybe I'll buy this tomorrow or Friday. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, because if nagsa-start na si ACB, susunod to. So kung tito niya, very strong support ang ipinakita nito. Kung bumalik yan dito ulit, better. Bili tayo dito. Kung hindi, for Tilray, maybe here is a good opportunity. So titingnan natin yan dyan, no? FBRR here. Technology purchasing. There is a resistance here. Support is here. Maybe I would suggest trail it on the EMA20. If magkaroon to ng EMA20 bounce or kahit retest on the EMA20, better. Unang silip pa lang niya sa EMA100 eh. Kasi bakit ginto? Dalawang beses pa lang niya ginawa. Baka mangyari kasi ulit sa kanya ngayon yan. So, definitely, if this gonna be a mirror trade, okay, EMA20 is your confirmation. Meaning to say, kung magkaroon to ng bounce sa EMA20, maganda yung trend na to. Katulad nito, hindi siya nag-bounce siya isang beses pero naging resistance niya after. Oh. Kita mo to? Bounce siya, hindi niya tinuloy. This one, maybe a mirror trade yung ginagawa niya. So, dalawang beses niya ginawa yan. Tingnan natin kung ituloy niya tong bounce na to at magtuloy-tuloy. So, kita mo to? Ayan. So, degree pa lang kasi nakikita na natin kung anong moving average yung possible sumalo. So, tingnan natin yan. So, FBRR. So, wala muna. Okay, cup. Let's go to cup. Check ko lang yung mga positions ko, guys. Isa-stack ako ng pera din eh. ATVI, FCell, BG, Bluebird, ACB, CrowdStrike, SPWR. Okay, SPWR. Yan. Okay, katulad ng SPWR. Ito gusto kong mangyari kay SPWR. Baba kang konti, ibalik mo sa 0.5 o balik mo sa MA10. Pag sinalo mo dito, bibili ako sa'yo. Kasi may breakout na eh. So, yan ang gusto kong mangyari sa kanya. Since legit naman tong breakout na to, magdadagdag ako dyan pag pinakita niya yun. So, ngayon, I'm gonna hold on to that. Wala mo na. Hindi mo na siya papasukin. Tesla. Let's go to Tesla. Okay, for Tesla, ngayon kay Tesla, medyo late na to. Konti kay Tesla. Medyo take profit na ito. Kasi nasa supply zone na to. Wala muna tayong bibili dito. For Tesla, malakas yung uptrend naman niya pero nasa resistance na. So, tingnan natin dito kung saluhin ulit ng EMA 20 or price action area. May iniwang gap, oh. May nag-gap up pala to, no? Dito. EMA 20 talaga to, EMA 20 kasi baka maglaro yan o mga EMA 20. So if you're in the elite club, kumita ka na dito because kailan ko pa to pinabili around this area here. I think here. Okay, pakita ko sa inyo, no? Where is my elite club area? Elite club, yan. So wala na muna, supply zone na yan. Okay, kung mag-breakout yan, bilhin natin. No, yun isa din yan. Although sentiment-wise, maganda naman yung mga production and sales ng EV in US. Pwede natin yan. But again, trade lang Huwag nyo kayo mag-totally invest because this is super oversold. If magkaroon ng big correction, mauuna magbenta yan ng todo. Okay, remember that. Oversold fair value are the ones sold off first, especially cyclical. Okay, what do you mean by cyclical? Industrial, airlines, yan, yung mga cyclical na tawag dito. Okay. Let me walk you through to Elite Club. Okay. So if you're following my Elite Club, if you're part of the Elite Club, I posted it on September 28. Elite Club is like this, no? Ito. So yung Elite Club is we're giving buying signals there. May research base yan. Then may basic and pro. But yung pro, dyan yung mga buying signals tsaka mga learnings na tinuturo. Mga techniques, no? May basic techniques na pwede ka nang kumita. Pero syempre, yung mas advanced masterclass. So if I'm gonna plug in this one here. September 28, I posted that one. Nag-interview or nagkaroon ng meeting si Elon Musk because they're trying to deliver yung mga ano nila, yung mga tama dyan, yung mga they need to deliver in terms of the EV, no? And based on potential, based on statistics in the past 10 years, bullish talaga October, November ni Tesla in the past 10 years. So naganda din dyan. I already set my buy there. September 28. Let's check at September 28. If you're already part of the Elite Club, September 28 was this here. Ayan. Okay. So pinabili na yan dyan, even on a breakout or support area, it's either here or na breakout or this candle mismo. So if you're part of the Elite Club, you could have gained 13% so far with that. Simple lang, no? So isa yan. So if you want to be part of Elite Club, join wiseinvestorsph.com. Check mo lang, wiseinvestph.com. Isa yan. Okay, go to Netflix. Okay, Netflix. Netflix, okay. Ito, si Netflix right now. So, after the EMA 20 bounce there, hindi nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa EMA 20. Ngayon is an opportunity to try to test by EMA 20. Ito yung kung hindi ka nag-TP kahapon, kasi pwede ka mag-retest by ngayon. Kung tinipi mo yan, pwede naman magdagdag ngayon for Netflix. So, because of the earnings report, ganda ng report, nagkaroon ng sell-off. Yan, sell-off ng konti. So, isa yan. Tinamaan yung TP1 ko dyan. Okay? Yan. CrowdStrike, okay pa naman si CrowdStrike. Still on a breakout. Momentum pa rin tayo. Ginagalang niya yung momentum there. Okay pa naman din ang itsura niya. So, no need to check that one. Nasa resistance din kasi. Okay. Go to si Goto, wag niyo munang tingnan. Supposedly, ito yung bili dito ulit. After that, ito yan. Ayun, nakita niyo to? Yan ang chart ko. Sabi ko, hintayin natin dito. Bilhin natin yan dyan. Wag muna natin yung pansinin ngayon. Nasa resistance siya. Hintayin natin yung breakout ulit ni Goto. Ayun, binili natin dito. No? Ayun, magandang perfect buy dyan. No? Ito or dito. Dalawa lang yan eh. Ito or this one. Yan, dyan ang bilhin doon. Supposedly ngayon, wala pa for Goto. Let's go to VIPs. Wala mo na yan sa ano. Take profit kasi lahat ngayon, guys. I told you, take profit ngayon. Kaya gusto ko magbenta eh. Nag-iisip ako ng mga TTP ko dito. Wala na rin eh, no? Wala na akong position na swing eh. Lahat naka-TP na kasi. So, lahat pula na ulit. So, chill lang ulit ako ngayon. Baka benta ako ng Ethereum. Konti. Binili ko Ethereum mo 16. Okay pa naman to. $9 pa to. 12.9 is 150 here. Dali. BNB. 12.10. 13. Okay naman. Malapit sa resistance 9. Bawas ako dito. Profit dito. Sell half. Ayan. Dito din. Maybe $100 here. And close this one. Okay naman siguro yan. 200. Okay, and some is ETH. Let's go to ETH again. Para ma-check ko nga. Ethereum US dollar. Okay pa naman si Ethereum. Chill pa yan. Okay. Let's go to Cisco. Cisco. Sino siya? VIPs daw. VIPs. Let's go to VIPs. And Cisco. Sayang, gaganda ng ano, no? Mga breakout points area. Wala muna guys. Lahat gap up. Mamimili tayo dito niyan. Balik dito ulit. Within this range tayo ulit mamimili dyan. So, wala pa to. Talagang lahat ng mga gap up nyo na benta ngayon, huwag nyo munang bili. Huwag muna kayo bumili. Let's go to Baba. At tinamaan din yung EMA 100. So, Baba, dito tayo reposition. So, yung may mga nagtatanong, kailan tayo, ganda ng, take profit ito, fill the gap, oh. Ay, nako. Minsan kasi hindi ko sinusunod yung plano ko sa selling, eh. Ayoko maging greedy kasi. So, bumili ako dito, binenta ko dito, eh. Aga ko na benta, eh. Dito sa MA50. So, M5 times 100 ko. Nag-fill the gap ng 30%. Oh, sarap. Okay. So, definitely, hintayin natin dito mag-green ulit si Baba from this area here. Dagdag tayo dyan. Or, tingnan natin dito kung magkaroon ng inverse head and shoulder na which is possible na gawin ni Alibaba. Kita nyo tong area na yan, no? Baka mag-inverse head and shoulder yan, eh. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung saan. Kung mag-hold to, bili tayo. Kung hindi, hintayin natin yan dito. Within this range here. Yan. Kahit man lang dito. So, itsura niya, possible, eh. So, kasi nag-breakout MA100 resistance. So, chill tayo dito for now. Okay. Cisco. Cisco, ano ba to Cisco nito? Byaku. Okay. Byaku Kage pa, no? Cisco, pwedeng test buy. Okay, pwedeng test buy. Communication, technology. Pwede test buy to. May breakout na pinakita. MA55 binirake out plus RSI 50. Pwede yan. Pwede test buy to for Cisco. Cut loss below here. Then, TP below here. Ganda naman ng ano niya, no? Risk-reward ratio. So, pwede yan test by today. Okay, mRNA. mRNA also. Ganda nung dito ng inangat, no? So, for mRNA, wala pa tayong gagawin for mRNA. Hintayin natin dito ulit. Then, we do test by here. So, may pinakitang resistance. If magkaroon ng breakout, bili natin yung breakout. Pero mag-subside dito, mangyari dyan is balik dyan, angat, bili tayo. H-bar. Ano to? H-bar is definitely a very H-bar. Okay. Dito, ano, H-market cap by H-bar. Anong market cap? H-bar. Crypto. Okay. Illiquid masyado. Hindi to, for me, ayoko i-trade yung mga ganito. Illiquid masyado. Ang daming gaps, no? Ang daming gaps. Medyo, tapos masyadong illiquid. Day trade pwede. Pero not now. Nasa resistance. So, wala. Huwag muna tayo dyan. Iska. This guy is doing a okay, nagkaroon dito ng breakout there. Okay. For this, tingnan natin ang weekly chart nito. Since downtrend siya, we can see a here. This ka, pwede itong bilhin ngayon. Ganda ng ano din, no? Nasa support na support sa weekly chart, no? Ang ganda rin ng itsura niya. Okay, resistance pending is here. So if you're gonna buy right now, I would suggest have it a potential good risk reward. Okay, pending resistance is there. Pwede ka mag 6% as of the moment. Then dito ang TP mo, first TP mo dito is here. 1:1, dito ang 1:2. So, kung di ka mo dito lang, dito ka lang, lugi ka. Ito, wag mo na sundin to. Okay? Feeling ko magsa-sideways pa to. Pero kung risk reward pag-uusapan, pwede na siyang bilhin ngayon. Yan, maganda rin siya. Possible support level play na yan for this ka. We're done at BTC. Usually, we're doing crypto on the first hour on 9 o'clock in the evening. ETH, yeah. Hindi muna ako nagbenta ng ETH ko. Balikan natin yung ETH. Medyo nagkakaroon ng potential breakout si ETH. So, kaya hindi ko muna nakatin mo. Supposedly, pero malapit kasi sa resistance. So, in terms of like TP, ito malakas to na supply area here. May potential breakout. Tapos may nakita tayo dito ano no? May kita tayong inverse head and shoulder din. Tingnan natin kung i-breakout niya fully. So, hindi ako muna magdadagdag. Okay, hindi muna ako magdadagdag. Kung magdadagdag ako konti lang but not now. Okay, ETH naked. Let's go to naked. Naked. 9:54. It's the evening na tayo. Naked, definitely sideways. Possible bottom, mirroring trend. Okay. Sa itsura niya, parang considered it sideways. Okay, time mo na lang ulit mag-support dito. Parang nagsa-sideways pa talaga siya eh. So definitely wala mo na tayong pababay mo ng konti. Hindi mo na siya totally bili. Wala masyadong volume may pinapakita, tahimik masyado. So pag mga ganyan kinukuha yan sa support usually. Okay? SNPS. SNPS synopsis ba to? Ito may synopsis. Tama, synopsis. Ganda rin ng synopsis oh. So synopsis after a breakout there, we can see a breakout here. We can see a reversal here. So our first buy must be here. Kung naiwan ka dito yung latest buy mo. For synopsis. Yan, isa yan. So maganda naman pinakita niya, consolidation up pattern there. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin mag-price action there. Possible sa linya ng EMA 10. Doon natin siya kunin. Okay? So wala tayo for now. Wala muna. SLP. Si SLP is a potential buy din si SLP. Possible if bumaba dito ulit. Kasi ito masyadong ano na to eh, no? Dito. Pababayin natin ng mga 8% more. Retest na lang ulit dito. Considered natin to na sideways. So, pag nangyari yon, bili natin. Pero ngayon, wala muna. Okay, parang kasi may likelihood ako tingin ko dito, magbe-breakdown pa nga yan eh. Sa tingin ko possible. Kaya tingnan natin muna yung support. Mga 8% drop may be a good ano. Okay, bros. Let's go to bros. Bros is we can safe buy is here. Medyo malakas ang ano dito, no? Tingnan natin kung mag-bounce dito. For now, wala muna. Hindi muna natin siya yan. No? If mag-sideways dito na area, maganda. So, for now, hindi muna. NVAX. Wow, nangyari dito. Wow, nangyari sa NVAX. Cyclical eh, no? 49. 49 level. Asan yung RSI ko dito? Wala. Uy, wala. Teka lang, Chidori. Baka pwede itong pasukin, eh, no? Tingnan natin to. Baka pwede tayong pumasok sa bounce trade ni NVAX. Tingnan ko nga, makapasok. Hindi na siya pwede. Hindi pala. NVAX. 49.85. Tinitingnan ko eh, pero parang hindi na siya pasok sa bounce trade ko eh. Ba't nabubura, no? Ano ba to? 50 level, okay. Input 250, okay. Wait lang. 50 level ba to? Ayun, middle band 50. Medyo hindi siya pasok eh, no? Ayun, 49. Ma-consider nyo, pasukin pa kaya natin to? Naisip ko nga eh. Level leg regarding 4 na to eh. Tingnan natin yung price action to 30 minutes. First 15 minutes. Okay, may resistance na nangyayari dyan. 5 minutes time frame. Tingnan natin, saluhin to ng, ayun, may resistance nga. Wala masyadong buyers. Okay. Tingnan natin to. Pangit kasi na ilalim nyo eh, no? Yan. Tingnan natin yung breakout. Hindi ako muna saluhin. Gusto natin balikan to. Itong area na to. Kasi baka mag-resistance yung bumalik dito. Pag bumagsak to ng dito na level, mga 8% drop, abangan natin for this one. Tingnan natin to. Bounce trade din. Maganda rin, no? Pero sa totoo lang, pahirapan natin sarili natin. Marami naman pataas. Pero minsan challenge din. Kumuha ng ganito, no? Okay, tingnan natin. RN box. Okay. Pero maganda yung maganda yung itsura niya. Hindi nga lang siya totally kasi na Chido replay. Medyo we can consider it a bounce trade. Price action, I want to see it breaking out on the previous kasi. GME, parang mirror trade lang din nangyayari dito eh, no? Sideways lang. So, kunin natin sideways, ayan. Malakas naman tong area na to. So, hindi pa talaga siya totally eh, no? Unless, magpakita to ng breakout dito. If magkaroon ng breakout dyan, tingnan natin. We can consider that. So, ngayon, parang mirror trade lang eh, no? Ibig sabihin na mirror trade yan. Angat, babagsak, angat, angat, babagsak, babagsak, angat. Pangit, ang pangit ba? So, hindi siya, for me, tapos na. Distribution stage. Tops, transportation marine, good fundamentals. Ito din, to maganda rin to. Wait natin breakout nito, lagi malapit na to. Lagay ko na sa watchlist ko to. Sama nyo nito sa watchlist to, malapit na to pumutok ulit katulad na nangyari niya dito. Ayan yung ginawa niya na, kita nyo. Yun na nga to, nagko-consolidate dito. Bilang iaangat ng todo. So, abangan natin yan. PFE. PFE. Oy, nag-breakout si PFE today Kahapon pa nag-breakout eh. Ayun no, sayang PFE, PFE, PFE. Ano ba to? B reversal or magwa-double bottom? Okay. For now, dami kasing kalaban ni PFE eh. Ayoko sa kanya, daming kalaban. Dami niyang kalabang moving average, risk reward wise. Breakout trade may be considered if you're willing to risk this much. Ayan, you can maybe considered ngayon yung breakout trade niya, especially if it's gonna close above MA20. Itong violet line natin. Okay, risk lang ka ng 5%. Can be a test by today. That's your risk reward kung banata niya yan. Pero dapat mag-close na dito within next week. Kailangan nandyan siya next week. Kung nandyan siya next week above that, pwede. But if you're patient enough, bumaba ng konti dito, yan. Okay, that's very good more. Like creating a base, higher low, then angat. So, mas maganda siya for FFE. Yun lang yung maging risk reward mo dyan. Kung willing ka to lose 5% on the current position breakout niya, then you pwede mo pasukin. This one, wala muna tayo dito pero malapit na rin to. Maybe consider buy if magkaroon to ng green candle tomorrow or Friday. O magkaroon ng red candle within this area. Okay, kung nag-hold tong area na to, tingnan nyo na lang yung presyo 18, bumalik dyan, tapos nagkaroon ng support, or dito, magkaroon ng support, then possible buy area ni Jimea for this one. Okay, check natin. Wow, lumalakas ngayon. Nag-TP ako sa iba. Parang may lumalakas na ano dito. F-cell? Bumabalik yung F-cell? Ganda kasi ng price action ni F-cell, no? Ayun, ganda ng price action ni F-cell. Ganda ng price action ni F-cell, no? Ganda ng price action. Sige, tingnan ko lang muna. Tingnan natin muna to. Panoodin ko lang muna to si 5L. Consider ko bilhin din eh. Yun nga lang, no? Medyo ano siya. NMDM pwede naman bilhin ngayon. I can sense if you can see that crossover there, yung 5 and 20, nag-crossover dito, confirmation ngayon, tapos bumababa pa siya ng price action. Pwede naman to. Pwede to si NMDM bilhin ngayon. Plus, meron pa ditong breakout area here. Tapos nasa support. So, pwede naman. Rest reward mo lang dito definitely kung mag-cross ulit yung 5 and 20. So, this one, no? Ayan. Dito, 5 and 20. Ayan. Yan, libreng technique ko naman tinuro yan eh. May crossover ngayon. So, pwede talaga siyang bilhin ngayon. So, definitely. Or, if you're patient enough, pababayin mo pa konti. So, definitely. Katulad nito, nag-crossover siya dito. Ayan, crossover siya dyan. Maganda. Dito. Then, TP ka dito. Before, nag-crossover din siya dito. Ayan. So, parang ito yung kandila niya. Before siya dun. So, pwede yan ibilin ngayon. For the crossover. Dapat, tingnan mo lang din mag-crossover yung 5 and 20. For your right cut loss. Just in case it did not, hindi siya nag-materialize. Workhorse, maybe another buy on the support level. It's creating a base. Yun nga lang, wala masyadong participation. Maybe we can test it by there. So for that one. No? Ayan. So, antayin natin muna yan. Okay. I'm gonna check my other account. Log out ko lang to. Din yun, yung long term ko. Di ko na check yung long term ko. Walang naka-hold, buy and hold na siya. Para lang engot. Bumabagsak yung mga hindi naman yung nakakaya naman sa mga nakaka-copy sa akin doon. So I have this one also here. Up naman siya by today. Kamusta na kaya performance ko dito? I'm 10% off for so October. So okay naman. Gin-aggressive mode ko na to guys eh. Naiya ako sa mga nag-copy sa akin. So at least I'm up with dami ko ring red dito eh. No? Magte-take profit ako dito ng wala naman. So buy and hold tayo dyan. So chill lang tayo dito. Ayan. Down din siya, no? Pang long term talaga siya. So at least okay naman. I think may mga kinlose yata ako nito recently. So, target lang to 10%. Pag nag 10% to this year, close na lahat ng position ko. Restart na ako next year. Yun lang plano ko dyan eh. 10% up, close all position. Rebalance. Tingnan ko dito this year. Tingnan ko, maka 10%. Parang, na-close ko lang, oh, imagine mo. Ang kinlose ko pa lang this year was 13%. Kung na-close na pala ako this year. So, kumita na pala to ng kahit 50,000. So, at least kung may angat ko pa more ng 10% up, may mag-flat man to konti. I consider closing all my positions ulit. Then, rebalance ako ulit. Prepare for next year. Yung bagong strategy. Bakit hindi kayo nagka-cut loss for long term? Sa long term nyo. Nagka-cut loss naman ako pero minsan lang. Like, sobrang minsan lang. Pakita ko sa'yo. Pero more on into pag kina-cut loss ko, pag hindi ko alam yung kumpanya. Or talagang pangit na yung trade. Like, sobrang pangit. Nagka-cut loss ako. Like, mga Shiba, di ba? Ayoko yung mga yan. Ito, wala nang seasonality. So, tinanggal ko na. Pero tagal na hold yan. Binili ko to was May pa. No? Tapos ilang buwan. Hindi talaga umaangat. So, may cut loss din ako. May cut loss din ako. Nagtatanggal din ako ng hindi sang-ayon sa paningin. Ito ba? So far, okay naman. So, take profit din. Lalo na nga. In-aggressive ko na kasi ito eh. Kasi sabi ko, ba yan? Magko-close na ng taon. Ang bagal ng account ko. Ay, unlike, hindi ko to mahabol. Ito kasi yung problema ko dito eh. Ito yung pinaka naging problema ko. Supposedly, dapat pag nagda-down ako, ito lang, yan lang, okay lang ako dyan. Nagkamali ako ng March, hindi ako nag-take profit. Lumakas yung drawdown pababa. So, sabi ko, kailangan bawiin. Yeah, aggressive mode. Yan, aggressive mode. Bumagsak yung dito. Reposition. Bakit bumabagsak? Binibili. Ayan, okay lang naman so far. So, 10%, we're good so far. Dito man. Pero ito yung focus ko talaga kasi mas active to. Dahil talaga lahat to speculative trade times 5 majority. May mga cut loss din, no? So, $100. May mga cut loss, no? May mga cut loss din talaga. So, definitely, mas maganda yung may cut loss ka. LUMN. Okay, ba't daw gumagamit ng GoTrade dito? Kasi wala namang pang desktop yung GoTrade eh. Pero meron ako sa phone, maliit lang yung laman. Try ko lang. Ayan. LUMN, Communication Specialty, we're still good. Considered it sideways. Okay, may breakout tayo ngayon dito. Pwede yan bilhin. Okay? Ang problema mo lang dito is madami siyang hadlang. Okay? The next supply zone is around this area. Maraming hadlang na moving average but we can consider. Ito yung malakas na resistance for LUMN. Ako kasi mas maganda i-trade lalo na pag bull market. All above moving average. Yung mga nasa moving average, above ng mga moving average, yun na mas maganda i-trade. Position traders, below, pero dapat mahaba yung PC mo doon. Kasi wala pang moving average pababa eh. Plus, nag-rally na din kasi to like this one. But still, okay pa rin naman to because it's near the support. May karoon ng konting breakout there. Tingnan natin kung mag-sustain. Solo. 10-11. Alright, 10-11. There you go. Okay. Solo, not really good for me. Hindi rin maganda yung pinapakita niya. Considered sideways din siya. I would buy it here. Again. No? Daming hadlang. Yan sasabi kong hadlang eh. Oh. Nagkakaroon pa siya ng mga hadlang, ng moving average, tapos nagsa-sideways pa siya. Definitely, hindi mo na natin yung hindi mo natin siya i-trade na mga ganyan. I'm more into this one, no? Gusto ko i-day trade to, guys. So, malapit na kasi itong malapit na itong bumagsak ulit. Pero sayang, no? Opening, nag-break dito, oh. Kung nakuha natin to pag breakout sa first candle, kung nakita ko to na bumagsak, nag-breakout dito, binili ko yan. 3% din yan. No? Sayang. Oh, let's go to our watch list. Mga watch list ko dito sa Kage. ABNB, ito tayo, di tayo. Check natin. TKWY. Okay, pangit. Hindi pa siya. Halos yung ganda ng market ngayon eh. Hahanap ka na ng magandang posisyon eh. Yung kanina Cisco, isa yon. O ito, hindi po na to. Pero at least okay. Ito, abangan natin dito kasi malakas na yan eh. Lakas na niya oh. Abangan natin dyan. RL. RL, lakas din ng RL ah. Pag nag-green to bukas, pwedeng bilhin to si RL, guys. Or close above this level, oh. Triple bottom, eh. Triple bottom, oh. Eto, maganda si RL, oh. Kita nyo? Ano to bukas, pwedeng bilhin to si dito. Si Apple, hindi pa. Medyo resistant si Apple. Nasa resistance. PBH. Ito din. Not quite pa. Maraming resistance na hawak. Okay. AMD, this one. HBI. 0.90 support level. Higher, low. Ayoko muna to. Marami kasi nasa taas na eh. Tingin tayo ng banks. Matitin natin banks. CrowdStrike si Ate. Tilray. LNC oh, magbe-breakout din oh. Banks oh. Finance, Life, Health Insurance. Si LNC, bili to ngayon oh. Breakout oh. Momentum pa. Consolidation pa. Ang ganda naman ito. Ascending triangle. Ito yung ascending triangle oh. Uy, para maganda yung trade si LNC ah. Breakout. Bili nga ako. LNC. Yan, AMD. Check natin sa AMD. AMD near the resistance already. AMD near the resistance na. Abangan na ulit natin dito. Late na yan, konti. So, mga wala pang posisyon dyan, wag na lang muna pumasok. Pero if mag-pullback to, konti. Kahit this area, MA10, MA20, pwede. May pending resistance eh. Napakalakas sa supply zone din meron dito. Supply zone na area here. Yan, napakalakas sa supply zone yan. May mga bumili dyan, ipit. Ngayon pala magbebenta. Psychologically, parang ganun. Okay? Music background. Wala pala akong music background. I was actually having one. Wait lang. Okay, music background there. Sorry, kanina pa. Sarap nga ng pakiramdam ko eh. Ano siya? Ayan. Okay. I'm considering re-entering at I'm considering re-entering at medyo si Ran. Medyo kasi nakakatakot tong supply area eh. Pero if you're a momentum trader, you can test buy. Pero medyo kasi malapit na baka hindi niya kalayanin iangat. So for now, observe muna tayo for run. F-cell yung gusto kong tingnan eh. Ito parang there's something about F-cell na gusto kong bilhin today. Something about F-cell na may napakiramdam ko bibilin ko to today. If not man lang, bumabalik dito. Yan, sige tingnan natin to. Bumalik dyan. I'm streaming MWF 9 to 11 p.m. Because on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, I do my research. I update my elite group. So, may mga ginagawa. So, mag-approve ng mga robots. Yan yung mga admin job. More into admin job ginagawa natin. So, again, for this year, are you ready? For this account alone, I'm ready up by 200,000 pesos with over 1,400 trades. Grabe no, daming trades. 1,400 trades, 63% gain. So far, I'm happy with the experience. Secondary na lang with the with a percent. And then I'm still up because of the crypto at almost 60,000 pesos. So it's still good, no? Still good for that one. Marketa. Marketa. Yan. Okay, MQ. Check natin si MQ. Daily chart. Yan, may background music na ba? Alright, so it's 10:17. That's gonna be our lesson for tonight. Okay, how do you average down? So, let me just hinaan ko ng konti. Okay, on your screen, on your chat box, can you also give me an insight? A company na hilig nyo i-average down. Okay, one company na hilig mo i-average down. Pag-usapan natin kung bakit siya okay i-average down. Mamimili ako ng isang stock na pwede natin i-deep dive. Then, why do you choose to average it down? Para maturuan ko kayo, is it, example, bumabagsak isang kumpanya, how would you assure na this is a good company to average down with? Ayan, yung topic natin for tonight. So, our topic for tonight is, what is your basis to do an average down basis? Yan, di ba?
Oh my God! Wow!
Di ba? T, pare, average down. O, yan. How about si Sir Axel? You want to average down at T. Okay, how about the others? Anong mga companies na ina-average down nyo? Let's go!
Just do it! Yes, you can! Yes, you can!
Oh, yes, you can. Okay, how about the others? Ano mga pang-average down nyo? So, while we're waiting for the others, let's check out Marketa. Marketa, for me, is also a test buy today. Coming from a sideways, maybe this is a spring area. So, kita nyo dito, after a sideways, it did a massive tama dito, double bottom there on a breakout. For conservative buyers, maybe a buy here on this point. So, I'm gonna put it also in my list. I'm gonna observe this here. Lalagay ko na yan dyan. Pero pwede ito bilhin ngayon ha. Hindi ko alam yung kumpanya na yan. Pero price action wise, that's an average down, pen down. Novavax, sir. Nakabili sa opening with 6% gain. Wow, that's good. That's good. Galing ha. I'm watching from quarantine facility. Neo. Okay, Neo. Rex, Miris, Monica. I hope I'll be the one to win the Forex. Thank you for reminding me, no? For tonight, also, I'm gonna give away 10,000 tuloy. 2,500 pesos for our Forex users. Forex robot users natin that they wanted to just chill out and let the robot take them where they want to go. So before we're waiting for the others, ano yung mga last na company in average down mo? Yan. I'm gonna wait for your response para maganda yung topic natin. Okay. For gold, I can still say that I'm still bearish on this area here. If nagkakaroon lang kasi ng support dito si gold. On a 4-hour chart, I would trade this more into may higher highs, higher low, no? Mix sentiment to eh. Hirap eh, no? This one. Okay. Okay, here. Yan. Pwede ka mag-long dito since may nabubuong higher highs, higher low. I would trade it here. Zoom. Okay. If bumalik yan dyan, pwede yan i-trade dito. So, you can trade because of higher low. So, maganda naman yung sentiment mo on a long position. Pero on a daily chart, parang mas malakas yung mga sellers. Zoom, yan. Ang mga ina-average down. Ang last niya ina-average down. Nag-average down ako kay PLTR and Snap. Okay. Okay, so I think I will be choosing Zoom as an average down. PLTR is going sideways as well. We can buy this on a sideways market as well here or around this area here later. Not now. If magkaroon ng breakout to, maybe we can consider. So far, wala pa siya. May pending resistance pa talaga yung pinapakita niya. So far, wala tayong gagawin. So I'm gonna choose Zoom for our topic for tonight. Una, example na lang. Here's the scenario. Okay, here's the scenario. You bought at the support here. Example here, bumili ka. Okay? And then right now, you are already down by how much? Tapos naka-long term ka with this one, 15%. Tapos umangat siya so far at 7%. So you're good, no? Okay. Kasi nakita mo tong trend na tong ganda naman ni Zoom. So I'm gonna buy on the support levels. Or bumili ka example on this reversal here. Tapos buy and hold yung strategy mo. So you're down by 22%. Okay, so ano yung consideration mo to average down? Now, let me just give you some lessons, no? Average down. Una, the company have a wide moat. Okay. Second, is the company having net sales growing at growing sales, net sales growth at in the past 3 years. Okay, ito yung mga consideration mo past 3 years. Kahit hindi mo alam yung company, titingnan mo lang yung financial statements. Okay. Okay, another dyan is the company have a discounted fair value, the PEG ratio of less than 1 at less than 2 or 1 to 1, less than 1. Okay. Okay, so usually this strategy pwede mo na yan gawin, no? So unahin natin dito ang fair value. Okay, fair value FV discount at least 10% or more. Yan. Okay. All right. So ito yung topic natin tonight. Example, our topic will be Zoom. This is scrutinize natin. Example, ipit ka kay Zoom by 23%. Kasi sabi mo si Zoom, ginagamit natin yan for everyday ngayon, online and everything. Then checking on the technicals, again, sabi nga nila, no, to answer what company to buy is fundamentals. So titingnan natin to. The confirmation of your buy is still technical. So one factor na naging ginawa natin yan was Alibaba. So we were successful at that time. We did scrutinize Alibaba as a good company. And we check Alibaba based on the fundamentals, and we did bought Alibaba on the bottom. Pinaka-bottom natin na bilihan sabay-sabay. So I was earning Alibaba big time that time. Yung nga naman, paaga ako ng benta for Alibaba kasi tinitrade ko nga. So meron akong posisyon kay Alibaba sa kabila, pa-flat pa lang siya. Papuntang flat moment. So let's go back to Zoom. So for this topic, okay, this is sponsored by Elite Club. Yan, for the Elite Club natin na sponsor dyan, if you want to subscribe at the Elite Club natin, get the head of the most informations on the market with 90% trade calls, 90% win trade calls in stock market, 90% win trade calls in Forex, statistical, historical stocks, platinum watch list, monthly premium watch list, risk requested on fair value request or premium stock pick, and even forecasting is already here on WIPH-ELITE benefit. No, let me just give you one instance why you need to subscribe to Elite Club is the following. So example, let me walk you through sa aming aming club. So for those who are subscribed already at the Elite Club, they're earning. So papakita ko sa inyo isang example. This is the Elite Club. I'm gonna give you one pinaka-example aside sa pinakita ko kay Tesla. Okay, yung mga hindi nyo, kasi pinapakita ko naman yung iba no? So, example, wait lang, naglalag ako. Ayun, okay. Example dito, okay, J&J. Okay, J&J, tingnan mo yung chart ni J&J. Okay, test buy here on this level here. J&J Company, October 18, 2 days ago. Okay, 2 days ago, pinabili ko si J&J before the market opens. Then why? Because of the following reasons and because of the technicals. Let's look at J&J. So we actually asked J&J people to buy at $162. Ito yung pinaka-recent na pwedeng bilhin for J&J. So ito na muna natin check para makita nyo ang Elite Club. Okay. So ito yung chart ni J&J. 162 as around this area here. On this chart here, people who bought there already gained at 3% in the past 2 days. So, TP namin dyan, medyo malayo-layo pa, but they're already up by 3%. Isa yan. Okay, isa yan, di ba? Okay. So, example, you're an investor. Let's go back to the topic. I'm gonna average down as an investor, not as a trader. For Zoom, because of this reason. Saan yung aking yung chart ko dito kanina? Nawala. Ito ba yung chart ko kanina? Ito, kay Zoom. Nawala. Asa yung chart? May sinulat ako kanina kay Zoom, no? Nawala, no? Okay, so ulitin natin. Anong nangyari doon? Ba't nawala? Okay. So again, wide economic mode. Okay, ibig sabihin ng wide economic mode. Una, dapat we know the company already. Hindi madaling pasukin ng isang competition. So, yan ibig sabihin diyan, is the competition of Zoom, hindi siya madali. Does Zoom also kumbaga parang monopolize its own industry. So we can refer to Morningstar if we can check the ano ito, no? Ito, Zoom, okay? Zoom, this one. Zoom Technologies, okay. Zoom Communication, sorry. Zoom Communication, yan. Video communication. So, titingnan natin kung anong rating ni Morningstar for Zoom for wide economic mode. So, ibig sabihin ng wide economic mode, hindi siya madaling pasukin ng competition niya. Okay? Tapos, yung space ng competition niya is may kasama siya sa nagmo-monopolize nun. Okay? Yun sa business. Zoom has none. So, it means to say, for long-term investing purposes, madali siyang pasukin. Kasi hindi nga narrow none pa. So, meaning si Zoom for that, hindi siya. So, kung titindin natin, ang wide economic mode for his industry is Adobe and Cisco, followed by Microsoft. So, ito yung mga nasa space na kasama niya for the competition. So, in terms of fair value, sabi natin for fair value, Zoom can be bought on a discount price. Not technical sa investor. Okay? Zoom is 10% premium. Meaning, mag-average down ka bibili ka, example, I'll put it in this perspective. Bumili ka ng face shield kasi kailangan siya, in demand siya ngayon. Example, pandemic, bumili ka ng face shield at 50 pesos each. Tapos, sabi mo, magkakaroon pa ng problem sa face shield. Bumaba yung face shield ng 40 pesos and you will gonna buy more and average down on buying more so you can sell more. But the real price of face shield right now is 25 pesos. So, kung titignan mo siya on that perspective, how does yun yung part wherein naka-discount ka ba para kumita ka more? Meaning, kaya bang kumita ni Zoom more versus what it is selling on its product? Meaning to say, yung sales ba niya, kaya niyang pantayan yung EPS growth niya or yung earnings per share niya. So, it means to say, first, X na si Zoom for average down as an investor. X na siya, wide economic mode. Kasi magkaroon ng bagong katulad ni Zoom, kayang-kayang talunin sa Zoom, no? Second, mahal si Zoom at the current price. Wala na nga siyang economic mode, bibili mo pa siya ng mahal. 'Di ba? Because the fair value of Zoom is 252 with uncertainty is very high. 276 is the closing. So, mahal pa rin yung bili mo. Okay, let's check the financial of Zoom. Okay? Another factor natin is excess sa dalawa. Tingnan natin kung si Zoom kaya naman niyang mag-grow ng mabilisan. Kasi pwede niya mabalance mahal siya. Tapos wala siyang wide economic mode. Pero yung growth niya mabilis. So pwede mo siyang ma-consider the average down. So tingnan natin ang annual report ni Zoom. Okay, revenue bill or net income bill ni Zoom for the past 3 years is it increasing or no? Yes or no? Okay, so from 0.2 billion, it increased in 2020. Now it's increasing. So check si Zoom. So it's increasing in the past 3 years in net operating, no? How about the cash flow? Yung pera ba ni Zoom para pag nagka-problem yung company is kaya ba niya masustain because of the cash flow? Meaning to say, kung magkaroon ng mga utang-utang, meron siyang reserve na pera pambayad sa utang na yon or gagamitin niya yun for expansion. The question is, it is increasing in the past 3 years? That's another question. Okay. Is the free cash flow is increasing the past 3 years? 1, check. 2, increase. Third is increase in billion. So, nag-increase yung operating sales. So, meaning, you're already weighing between mahal si Zoom on the current price, wala siyang economic moat, pangit to average down. But, Zoom is actually growing in the past 3 years in our free cash flow asset and yung net income sales niya. The question is right now is the PEG ratio. Is yung price ba ni Zoom ngayon based on the price na mahal plus yung earnings niya, kaya ba niyang masustain or pwede ko pa ba siyang i-average down o bilhin ko ba siya ngayon at the current price at mag-average down ako? Titingnan ko nga kung discounted siya kahit pababa yung presyo niya. So tingnan natin si Zoom again on the technical perspective. Pababa si Zoom. Will I still average down? Kapababa siya. Is there something happening? Let's check at let's check at the PEG ratio. Okay, let's check at Zoom. Ayan. Zoom communication. Alright. Okay, just a review. Sino bang nakaalala ng PEG ratio natin dito, guys? Type number 10 on the chat box. Type number 5 kung alam mo pero gusto mo ng review. 1 is first time mo narinig ang PEG ratio. Okay? First time mo narinig ang PEG ratio number 1 on the chat box. Okay? Titignan natin using FinVis. Ayan. Okay, good. Sige, tingnan natin. So, first time nung narinig, PEG ratio, 10, 1, 5 is maririnig mo narinig mo na, pero 10, ginagamit mo na siya. Okay, Rex is 1, Mark is 1, Patricio Base is 1. Okay. So, this is the whole financial statement ni Zoom, FinVis, and we actually also tried to use Zoom communication in Morningstar. So, if you're gonna buy Morningstar per month, you need to buy the Morningstar to makuha tong values na to, 2.5 per month. But if you're gonna subscribe in the Elite Club, libre yan tanungin. No? Libre tanungin. Okay, so PEG ratio. PEG ratio is the price to earning ratio versus the growth rate ni Zoom in the next 5 years. Meaning to say, mahal ka nga ngayon, pero kaya mo namang sustain yon by growing more in the next 5 years. Ang nagko-compute niyan, analyst, hindi ako. Okay? Kino-compute na nila yan based on the current financial statement. Sabi sa PEG ratio, that the company is discounted right now. Okay ka mag-average down dyan. If the PEG ratio is less than 1, 1.5 may be considered. 2 may be considered versus the current industry niya. Okay, where you can see the PEG ratio is here. Price to earnings growth. Okay, so ano ibig sabihin ng price to earnings growth? PE ratio of Zoom is 83. Wow, 83. Ano ibig sabihin ng 83? Okay, sa Philippine Stock Exchange, anything above 14 is mahal. Anything below 10 is mura. Okay? And makukuha mo yung PEG ratio niyan, depende yan sa pine-perform ng industry. Doon mo binibase. Imagine that's your meaning you are willing to buy Zoom 83 times on its current price. Yun ibig sabihin nun. Okay? You are willing to buy Zoom, if piso ang per share, willing ka magbayad ng $83 per share. Isang share ni Zoom. Ganun ibig sabihin yan. Why are you willing to pay that high amount? Because in the next 5 years, okay, ito yung expected price to earnings niya, no? Expected earnings ni estimate the current na performance average niya, analysts compute that at 13% yung ina-average niya in the past. Then nilalagay nila ng forecast. So it's expected to grow in the next 5 years at 13.58%. If you're gonna divide that, lalabas si PEG ratio at 6.5. So if the PEG ratio to good to buy is 1, you're buying Zoom 6 times more. So the question right now, yes or no? Are you gonna average down on Zoom? Yes or no? Okay, balikan natin ulit lahat on this one. Unahin natin. Wide economic moat, X. Okay. Second, wide economic moat, sinabi ng second dito. Ano yung sabi natin? Discounted fair value, at least 10%. X. Okay. Financial statement, increasing ang net sales. Check. Increasing ngayon ang cash flow. Check. The PEG ratio is over value. So, over value X. So, question right now, are you gonna average down to Zoom based on the current watch list? Honestly, maraming analysis na pwede mong gamitin, but this is one that you can use to do that for deciding to average down on an investor level. On the chat box, yes or no? Ako, kung tatanungin niyo ako if I'm gonna average down, definitely no. I will trade Zoom on the support, but I will not average down as a investor. Okay? Because initially, Zoom is overpriced. Second, Zoom competition can easily be penetrated. Despite a good sales and a good cash flow of Zoom, its expected earnings cannot compensate the current price of Zoom. So that's why I will not average down on Zoom on that main lead for the 3 zone. Okay, let's go back to Alibaba. For example, Alibaba. Will I gonna average down on Alibaba? So let's check natin Alibaba. Alright, so Alibaba. Bigyan natin ng isang magandang pang-discount, magandang financial statement, company to average down on Alibaba. Alibaba is 41% discount. That's one. Check. Okay. Wide economic moat. Check. Okay. Financial statements. Financial statements in Alibaba. Is it growing in terms of sales? Is it also growing in the cash flow? Okay. Net value is growing in the past 3 years despite what's happening in China. No? In billions, it's growing ever since, and its margin of growth is even faster than Amazon. That's one thing that you need to consider if you're gonna have a deep dive to that. Free cash flow is definitely increasing in the past 3 years at least, no? More lalo na kung 5 years. So, 4 pa lang, check na ako. Is my PEG ratio now for Alibaba can I average down to that? The PEG ratio right now is 1.29, no? Still attractive. Not even less than 1, but tumaas na siya. But it's still between 1 and 2 compared to the competition. Ano ba competition nito? Ano ba mga competition ni Alibaba? Tingnan nyo Alibaba competition. Stock analysis. Okay, Baba, okay. So I would rather bumababa si Alibaba. I would rather average down on Alibaba versus Zoom. Okay, tingnan natin dito ang competition ni Alibaba. Okay, competition ni Alibaba is Tencent and Weibo or even JD.com. So compare tayo sa Tencent. Tingnan natin si Tencent dito. So 1.29 si Alibaba ang PEG ratio, meaning expected to growth. And compared to competition, Alibaba is even attractive. 1.29 PEG ratio, it's expected to grow faster than the current price. Compared to JD.com, it's expected to grow in the next 5 years at a flat 1% with an overvalue. So, I would, based on the industry na pinapresent, I would average down more to Alibaba than Zoom on a long-term perspective. Yan ang ating topic for tonight. I hope you learn something regarding what decisions to make if you're gonna average down or not. Yan, di ba? Okay, so Shopee, I think is ano SE. Okay, SE, Shopee. SE ba? Tama? SE, di ba? Ang Shopee. Tama ba? So, SE yata. SE Limited. Yan, all right. That's all. Madali, ano lang yan, medyo madali lang talaga siya na topic, but definitely something that you can use. Okay, mag-average down ako, hindi dahil kilala mo lang yung company. Okay? Hindi lang dahil kilala mo yung company, mag-average down ka na. Dapat mayroon kang decision. So, may decision ka to do that. Okay? So, if you want to learn more into that, technicals on long-term investing, you can subscribe or enroll to my masterclass next November. November na ang next na klase natin. I'm gonna teach you on the technical analysis or even long-term investing principles that you can use to create a long-term position trading account or different technical and ninja techniques that you can use not just even for investing but also for trading. So you can ask our admin or PM this page if you want to learn more or visit wiseinvestorsph.com for more details. Yan ang mga topic natin dito. Mga simple lang naman pero at least kahit paano meron kang organized thoughts where to average down and when to average down. So technical basis, mas maganda pa. Lalo na maganda na yung presyo, lalagyan mo pa ng technicals, makuha mo pa ng pinakamababang presyo. Okay, so that's it for our natin tonight. So I'm gonna do some magpaparaffle lang ako sa mga ating users. Before we go there, of course, we have here on Wise Investors PH robot and marami tayong mga topic marami tayong robots na users na you can actually use here. Izanagi, Trend Follower, or this one that you can start on an automation. So my current automated natin dito guys, Izanagi is 217%. So automated Forex to, siya na bahala sa buhay niya. Actually, hindi 217, it's 219 already in terms of profit starting from January to October. So panis na panis ako sa robot, di ba? Yung manual trades ko 63%. Ito ano lang 218%. So we launched this also in public. We did tried to natin yung public nito and we then so that's one also, no? 55% kasabay ng public, already up by $250 yung starting capital nito. May promo si XM, double capital. So they're definitely there. So it's already up by 55%. For Valkyrie naman natin or auto compounded is up by 11%. Kita nyo dyan. So very consistent in profits. So auto compounding yan pang long term na account. So, ayan, tingnan natin dito. Magbubunot tayo ng mga raffle sa mga nag-subscribe nito at kumita last week. So, we did had a gain challenge. Ito, mga gains challenge natin dito. Then, lagyan natin ng Wheel of Names. Yan. So, 500 for 5 people ang pamimigay natin tonight. And then, ibibigay natin yan kahit wala sila. Yan, okay. When to average down? Decide to average down to a stock. That's a good topic, right? Okay. There you go. Okay, there you go. Wait lang. Okay, there you go. Saan dito yung natin dito? Ito. Ayan. So, ito ating dito page. Then, we saw our... So, nagkaroon tayo ng dito konti. So, nakita natin mga 65 yung nag-PM. Tama dito yan. Diyan, ito yung mga tong tao, yung mga yan, ipapakripitin natin mga gains sila. Kung sino yung tingnan at PM sila, how they're doing on the robot, you can PM them. So, ito yung mga gains sila last week alone. So, last week alone, yan yung mga gains sila. So, paraffle natin itong mga to ngayon. Saan dito? Okay, nawala. Ako, ang dami nag-chat. Okay. Tingnan natin ng ating mga names. Nasaan yung dito ng mga names? So, we're gonna... Next week. Oh, by the way, guys, may nag-sponsor pa ng 10,000. So, at least hanggang next month, magpapasponsor tayo. May nag-sponsor, kumita siya ng 160,000 last week. 300,000 last week alone. So, nagbigay siya ng 10,000 sa akin. Ipaparaffle ko yun next week. Okay, so ito yung mga tao na yon, yung mga nag-PM na yon. May mga humabol pa ba? May mga humabol pa na hindi kasama. If you're here na wala ka, lagay mo dito. So, yan itong mga pangalan na to. This one, ito yung mga. But may doble-doble kasi apat yung robot nila. Nilagay nila lahat dyan. So, kaya pwede sila manalo 2 beses. O, yung isa dun. Di ba? Galing, no? Pwede ka manalo 2 beses. Lupit, no? Noel. Wala si Noel dito, Kulang. Okay. Jello Mojica. So, parang kulang to. Lagyan natin ng sort. Okay. Noel. Wala na si Noel yun. Si Marvin. Meron ditong Marvin. Okay, good. Henry. Si Henry is here. Geoff is here. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I think I'm done already with this one. Si Gwen. Gwen. Meron din. Si Gwen, 2. Dalawa to si Gwen. 2 ticket. Yan. Raymart is here. Raymart. Cherry Lane is here. Eto si Cherry Lane, hindi na isama. Okay, lagyan natin si Cherry Lane. Yan. Francis. Okay, done. June. Tingnan yung mga pangalan nyo guys if wala. June. Ian. Okay, most relevant tayo. Adam. Okay. I think I'm good already. I'm gonna do this na. June. Okay. Alright. Thank you, Judes. Pwede, post mo doon, Miratoni. Okay. Lalagay ko na yung pangalan mo dito. Miratoni. Okay, Sarmiento. Lagay mo doon yung games mo, post nyo na ngayon. Para ma-validate. Okay? Okay, pag walang post doon, di kasama. Rex, anong pangalan mo Rex sa robot doon? Yun talaga, Rex talaga. Yun natin. Okay, dito, dapat may post kayo dito guys Kung wala kayong post dito, hindi kayo sali sa ano. Dito dapat may post kayo. Meron ka ba itong post, Rex? Okay. Wala. Di sa'yo kasama. So wala, di ka kasali. Okay. Okay, sali ka muna. Gawa ka muna ng robot mo. Tapos, kasama ka sa passive income namin. Okay? So, muna tayo ng 4. Mamimigyan natin to tonight din. Diretso natin to their GCash accounts. 5 people will win 500 pesos. 5 people. Yan. 5 person. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First winner natin. Alright. Our first winner is si Geoff Bernardo. Okay. Okay. Geoff, congrats. Papulit natin para walang daya. Ayan. Pwede pa humabol. Pwede Brent. Nag-post ka ba doon? Okay, nag-post ka. Post ka na. Habol kita. Ruel Perez, already. 500 pesos. Ruel Perez. Grabe. Before, guys, sa live, pinamimigay natin. Milk tea. Ngayon, 500 na. Grabe. Ano talaga? Level up talaga si WIPH, no? Ano pangalan ito? Ni Brent. Brent Tarasmonte. Yan. Post mo doon yung games mo, Brent. Dito. Pakita ko dito. Para fair sa iba. Okay, dito. Yan. Dapat malagay mo yung post mo dito, Brent. Yan, dito. Lagay ko sa chat box. Dapat ano mo dito. Yan. Okay. Next winner natin is si nalagay na yung pangalan mo dyan, Brent, Okay, Albert. Andito na, Albert, May pangalan ka na dito, Ayun. Okay. Third winner natin, muntik ka pa, Brent. Grabe ka talaga. Ano mo, si Gwen. Si Gwen. Ano pangalan nun? Si Gwen. Si Ma'am Gwen ito. Yan. Copy natin itong pangalan niya dito. Third winner natin yan. Okay. Sana kayo na po ang manalo na next. If manalo kayo, then congratulations. Next Wednesday ulit. Wednesday is raffle day. Siya pa yung Bebemon. Si Brett, Bebemon ka ba, Brett? Hindi yan Bebemon. Johanna Pakwit. Yan. Congratulations, Johanna. Hindi yan si Bebemon. Si Bebe, ano yun? Anong pangalan ng grupo nila? Nakalimutan ko yung BOH Society. Oh, yan. Ibig sabihin nun. Parang, yan. Yan. Okay. This one. Last winner natin pala to, guys. So, our last winner is Judes Melvin. Congrats for 500 pesos. Oh, libre na yung BPS next month. So, our winners for tonight, next week ulit tayo. Winners natin tonight is si Gioff, Ruel, Guev Yam, Johanna, and Judes Melvin. So I'm gonna forward this to our admin para ma-send na po sa inyo. Next week po ulit ang ating next draw. Wednesday po ulit ang ating next draw. Yan. So post lang po kayo for our gain challenge natin, guys. Okay. So 5 winners natin ito. Yan, okay. Ayos, no? 5 winners tayo ngayon. So, definitely. Okay, let's have a review sa mga binili natin tonight. Tingnan natin. Parang gusto ko kumuha ng Nova Box tsaka SPWR. Tingnan naman natin kung mag-sustain si Nova Box. Ayun ang sinasabi ko. Nag-breakout si Mokong. Nag-breakout, hindi siya nag-retest. So, hindi ako kukuha. Ayoko na kunin yung ganyan. Tingnan ko dito si MQ. Tingnan natin si MQ. Kung pwedeng kumuha kay MQ. Top up si MQ. Ayoko. Pero pwede mag-test buy ito kanina, supposedly. Si CrowdStrike, hindi siya nag-sustain. Hina ni CrowdStrike. Baka maka-atlos to. HBI. Tingnan natin. Ano pa isa natin binili kanina? Cisco. Cisco, pwede rin test buy. Ang binili ko kanina is LNC. Si LNC. Bumili ako kanina. Ito lang binili ko, no? SPWR. Parang gusto kong kumuha kay SPWR. FCell. Sabi ko na nga ba gusto ko talaga kumuha kay FCell. May pakiramdam ako kay FCell kanina pa eh. Dito. Tingnan natin dito sa FCell. Magmuna pala. Tingnan natin sa 4 hour. Okay, parang dito siguro. RNVC, hindi na yan si RNVC. Masyadong malalim. Yung kaninang gap down ng todo eh. Kaya nag-breakout pala. Ayun, nag-breakout. Sayang dapat kumuha ka doon kanina. Kaya sinasabi ko, eto, nag-breakout doon Sayang Late na. Ito yung kuha dito, breakout niya Ayan, sarap na, 'di ba? Tuloy-tuloy. Yung kumuha kanina doon, malapit ka na kagad sa TP mo. TP1 ka na, today pa lang. 'Di ba? Ito yung breakout sayang. Kumuha ka? Nice one. 'Di ba? Yun. Yan ang definitely doon. Yan. TP1 ka na ngayon, tinamaan na yung TP1 mo. Ayan na, nag-cool down. Pwede ka na mag TP1. So ayan, ano ba? MU is also a buy today. For me, test buy to today. Pero hindi pa pala. Pangit itsura pa. May resistance pa dito. So if mag-breakout to next bukas, pwede tayo kumuha dito. Yan, pwede tayo kumuha. If mag-breakout to, if wag muna. Kasi baka reverse cap to no? Tsaka pababa pa. Baka mag-resist pa si EMA 20. So wala tayong gagawin dyan. Titignan natin dyan. So yung mga nire-review lang natin mga kinuha natin. For Alibaba, maghihintay ako ng right support nito. Pero long term, ganda nito. Sobra. For Alibaba. Ano pa ba isa dito? BTC 60K, really. Wow, BTC is breaking out, no? Lakas, Buti di ako nagbawas. Ganda lakas, Yeah, 60,000. So sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Huwag muna kayong hahabol for BTC. Pero very optimistic ako na mag-70,000 sa BTC. Okay, gusto nyo makita kung bakit ako optimistic kay BTC? Kasi pinabili ko yun sa Elite Club, matagal na meron pa ako rason dyan, ba't pinabili? Gusto nyo makita? Sabi ko sa inyo rason, since malapit siya sa 70,000 level. Dito. Ayan. Okay. Kasi, unang rason din dyan is yung ETF na lumabas ni Nasdaq or Biru. So, it means to say, pwede siyang gawing investment. That's one reason. Pero syempre, wag mo nga habulin yan kasi tuktok na yan Tapos, ang bilis pa ng kung di ka marunong mag-momentum trading, baka magkabulilyaso pa tayo dyan, Yan. Okay, ito. So, yung Bitcoin ko dito. Bitcoin. BTC USD. Dito yung Bitcoin. Bitcoin, yan. BTC. Okay, there you go. Alright, so tingnan mo dito guys. If you're part of the elite club, nakakuha ka dyan prior the breakout. Okay, tingnan mo dito. I was already told, let my group know that it's definitely a buy since nung October 13 pa. So with this price level, 55,000 or the EMA support here. So it went there for that, and then this one 55,000 level for that level. So meaning pinabili ko yan nung Wednesday at 55,000 here. Ayan, dito yan, pinabili ko na yan dito. So, di ba, ilang beses na ako nandyan ha. Ayan, dito pa lang. Ayun, dito pa lang na level. So, yung mga bumili dyan, kasabay ko, nasa 20% up na. No? 23% up na to. Yan, 20% up na pala from that level din. So, kung bumili ka dyan, ako, nagdagdag ba ako there? The last that I bought there is nung 15. Di ba? O, yan. 9.15. Prior to my post. After my post, bumili rin ako. Kita nyo? October 13, tinirail ko, then bumili ako. So, bumili din ako. Hindi ako yung nagbibigay ng signal lang. Tapos sasabihin. Tapos pag kumita, hindi ako kasama. Dapat kasama ako doon. Di ba? 9.15, no? Hindi pala ito yung binili ko noon. Hindi ako bumili. Binili ko pala last was Ethereum kasi malaki na yung tinipi ko. Naalala ko nagtipi ako initially. Pero sige lang. Yan. Nagtipi nga ako ng konti. Ito. Okay, so yan, nakikita nyo, if you're part of the elite club, then you could get some part of those signals already that made you profitable. Yan, isa. Nakita nyo? Okay. There you go. So, si Novavax is 13%. Yes, definitely malakas. But late na, kanina supposedly, baka bumaba yan eh. May rason kung bakit nag-gap down yan ha. Okay, may rason kung bakit nag-gap down. For bounce traders, pwede niya yan kunin, pero if you're gonna hold that to that, may rason kung bakit yan. Okay? So, yun lang ang warning ko sa mga ganyan. Day trade pwede, like yung RNVC, Novavax pwede i-day trade sa mga ganyang levels, especially nagmuhulog yun sa support. Alright, so I think that's it for tonight. It's congratulations to all our winners. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna see you on Friday again on the next live trading with me. This is John from Wise Investors PH. May the market be with you. Stay safe and God bless. Have a good night, everyone. And congratulations to all your gains. I'm gonna see you. Good night. Bye-bye.